What's up, guys? Greetings to all. Today we're diving into the future of electric vehicles. When you hear EV, one name probably pops into your head almost immediately. But there's a whole world of electric vehicles out there, pushing boundaries and changing the game. Join us as we explore the future of electric transportation beyond the familiar brand. The electric vehicle revolution is just getting started, and Tesla isn't the only player making waves. Discover innovative companies and technologies shaping the future of driving. From battery breakthroughs to mind-bending designs and charging solutions, the entire ecosystem is buzzing with innovation. It's not just about replacing gasoline cars anymore. It's about fundamentally changing how we interact with our vehicles and the energy that powers them. We'll look at where the EV market stands right now, the incredible advancements in battery tech, evolving charging solutions, and design philosophies shaping these new machines. It's a big topic with a lot of moving parts, but stick around, because the journey is looking pretty exciting. Let's get into it. 12. So, let's set the stage. The rise of electric vehicles isn't some far-off future projection anymore. It's happening right now. EV sales are booming globally, and 2023 was a record-breaking year. This isn't just a niche market for early adopters anymore. EVs are rapidly moving into the mainstream, and automakers are scrambling to keep up with the demand. What's fueling this electric fire? A combination of factors. A big piece of the puzzle is the growing global consciousness around sustainability. Government incentives in many parts of the world have played a crucial role. Tax credits, rebates, and perks like access to HOV lanes are making the initial investment in an EV more palatable. New EV models are being released consistently. Automakers, both legacy and new entrants, are diversifying their electric lineups to cater to different needs and price points. This competition is fantastic for consumers because it drives innovation and pushes prices down over time. The infrastructure is also trying to catch up. Range anxiety is becoming less of an issue as battery technology improves and public charging networks expand. The driving experience itself is often a revelation for first-timers. The instant torque, the quiet operation, and the smooth acceleration are genuinely addictive. The foundation is clearly laid. The sales figures prove it. The consumer interest is there, and the industry is responding with a flood of new technology and models. 18. Alright, so if EVs are the future, then batteries are the heart of that future. The advancements happening in battery technology right now are nothing short of revolutionary. For a long time, lithium-ion has been the go-to, but the next big leap is just around the corner. I'm talking about solid-state batteries. These promise higher energy density, which means more range in the same size pack or a smaller pack for the same range. Beyond just more miles, solid-state batteries are also looking to deliver faster charging times. Imagine significantly reducing the time you spend tethered to a charger. These new batteries are expected to last longer, with less degradation over time. Several companies and research institutions are deep in development, and we're starting to see prototypes and pilot programs that are incredibly promising. But solid-state isn't the only game in town. Researchers are actively developing other innovative solutions like lithium-sulfur and lithium-air batteries. The challenges with these newer chemistries involve stability, cycle life, and cost-effectiveness at scale. The sheer amount of research and investment pouring into these areas is a clear indicator of their potential. The future of battery technology is incredibly bright and multifaceted. 15. Powerful batteries need efficient charging. Charging is still often tethered to a cable, but the future is seamless and integrated. Wireless charging is a game changer. Just park over a pad and it charges automatically. No more fumbling with plugs. Smart systems optimize charging times. Charge during off-peak hours for savings. Integrate with renewable energy sources. Your EV becomes part of a smart energy ecosystem. Mobile charging solutions add convenience. The future of charging is smarter and more flexible, making EV charging as easy as filling a gas tank. When you remove the constraints of a traditional internal combustion engine, vehicle design possibilities really open up. And that's exactly what we're seeing in the evolution of EV design. It's not just about making them look futuristic. It's about leveraging the unique characteristics of electric platforms. A key focus here is aerodynamics. With range being such a critical factor, Designers are prioritizing sleek, slippery shapes that cut through the air with minimal resistance. This focus on aerodynamics and the use of lightweight materials are being prioritized for improved range and efficiency. We're seeing smoother underbodies, active aero elements, and carefully sculpted surfaces. Materials like carbon fiber, aluminum alloys, and advanced composites are becoming more common. But it's not just the exterior that's evolving. The driving experience itself is being transformed by the integration of advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous driving technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automated parking are becoming standard. The push towards full autonomy is a longer journey, but EVs are the natural platform for its development. Inside the cabin, innovative interior designs are prioritizing comfort, connectivity, and the overall user experience. The flat floor architecture common in many dedicated EVs allows for more spacious and flexible interior layouts. Connectivity is paramount. EVs are essentially computers on wheels, with seamless integration of navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics. Over-the-air software updates can improve performance, add new features, and fix bugs without a trip to the dealer. 17. We've looked at the sales boom, battery breakthroughs, charging revolution, and design evolution. EVs are poised to dominate the automotive industry. Massive investments, tightening emissions regulations, and growing consumer demand support this trend. The transition won't happen overnight, but the commitment is clear. The rapid expansion of global EV charging infrastructure is a visible sign. The density and speed of chargers are constantly improving. The future of transportation is undeniably electric. So, yeah, that's a look at where we are and where we're headed with electric vehicles beyond just the usual headlines. It's pretty clear that the EV landscape is way bigger and more dynamic than any single company. We're seeing this incredible convergence of improving battery tech, smarter charging solutions, and genuinely innovative design, all pushing the industry forward at a rapid clip. The shift is real, and it's accelerating. What's really exciting to me is the sheer amount of competition and innovation happening across the board. From established giants finally going all in on electric, to nimble startups bringing fresh perspectives, everyone is trying to build a better EV, a better battery, a better charging experience. And at the end of the day, that competition benefits all of us with more choices, better products, and hopefully, more accessible price points down the line. The future isn't just electric. It's looking increasingly diverse and consumer-focused. Ultimately, the journey to a fully electric transportation system is still ongoing, with plenty of challenges and exciting developments yet to come. But the core message is that the future of driving is undeniably electric, and it's being shaped by a multitude of forces and players. It's a space I'll definitely be keeping a close eye on. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.